Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Yanely and I am the owner of So True Candles. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys where I get my packaging supplies from, and also I'm going to be sharing a few tips on how to get some of these supplies for free and also how to save money. So yeah, before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the little bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start off with boxes. So I get my boxes from a few different places actually. I get this smaller box, I get it from Uline, and the size that I get is 5 by 5 by 6. I'm gonna have everything linked down in the description box, but this is the box that I use when I'm just shipping out one candle or one candle and a lip balm. In this small box, one candle and also a room spray fit perfectly. So this is the box that I use whenever I have one candle order, or if, like I said, a candle and a room spray, I use this box and I get it from Uline. If I have an order for 2 candles, I actually put it in this one. I also use this box. 2 candles can actually fit here. Also a candle and a room spray. One big candle and one small candle like this size can also fit there. So I actually use this one the most, and I get this one from Amazon. It's a 8 by 8 by 4, and this is how it looks when it's closed, and then you just open it like this. Next is mailers envelope. So the one that I purchased, I actually purchased it from my local Walmart, and I do have another one that I actually got for free, and I'm gonna be talking about that in a little while. Those are actually bigger than I wanted them to be. In the future, I am gonna be purchasing this size from Amazon because you can find a bigger pack for cheaper. I believe I got this one for like $5 and it brings 8 of them, which on Amazon you can go and buy a bigger packet for cheaper. So I just got this one because it's something that I needed really quick. But this is a 6 by 9 and I got it from Walmart. Next, I also use, to package my boxes, I use shredded paper and peanuts, but the shredded paper looks like this. And I like this color. They have different colors, but I like this one because it looks more natural and looks earthy and just like the kind of look that I like to go for my business. So I actually ordered this also from Amazon. There's a lot of shipping things that you can find on Amazon. I'm gonna be linking where I purchased mine from. This is actually 2 pounds of shredded paper. Now, if you don't want to spend money on shredded paper, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get peanuts for free in a little while once I get to that. In my video of how I package my candles, I got a lot of comments on these little bags. If you purchase one of these candles from me, this 9 ounces white jar candles, it come in their own little pouch bag. And I got a lot of comments on where do I get this from. This is a 5 by 7 bag and I get it from Uline. I'm going to be linking it down below as well. The next thing that I use for packaging is this honeycomb shipping paper. It looks like this. And it comes with a little white paper. And I just roll my candle in there like this. I also get this from Amazon. Let me show you guys the big roll that I received. I've been using it for some time now, so it is not as big, but it's a lot. This is how it comes. It's a lot of paper. It will last you for a long time. As long as you're not wasting it and using too much and all that stuff, it should last you a very long time. And like I said, I purchased that from Amazon. Another thing that I purchased from my local Walmart is my tape. I feel like, I go to Walmart a lot, so it's like, why pay for shipping when I know that they sell tape there? And this is the tape that I use to pack my boxes. Now, to ship my candles, my shipping label, I actually order a roll of shipping label from Amazon again. I purchased a lot of things from Amazon when it comes to packaging, but I got this one from Amazon. It's a big roll. I actually haven't even used it yet because the printer that I purchase actually came with some label, so I'm still using that one up. But this one comes with, I don't really remember, I think it's about 200 in here. I'm gonna look that up and I'm gonna put it in the screen, but I believe it's about 200 labels here. So another thing that I purchased from Amazon to use with my thermal printer is this small round stickers. So as a small business owner, we want to customize a lot of our things, and customizing your things to have your small business, your logo, and your in the name of your brand can cost a lot of money. So I ordered these small little round thingies because I wanted to have stickers to put on my boxes. So I ordered these, and what I do is with the thermal printer, I put the name of my business, which is Soy True Candles, and then I just stick them on these matches, and that way I DIY'd a customized thing. So it looks like this. If you want your box to have a sticker on it, print your name on this and stick it on the box that you're gonna ship, and voila. And then you'll save money on having to order stickers. Next, for my shipping boxes, I also use these labels which says please handle with care, this is fragile, thank you. It looks like this. And I actually ordered these also from Amazon. I got these 2 rolls from Amazon, and I was gonna go, you can go to like Office Depot and purchase like a few of them for an eye and a leg. But I actually ordered these from Amazon, and I got these 2 rolls for, I don't really remember how much it was because my fiance was actually the one that placed the order, but I will be looking that information up, and I'm gonna be putting it in the screen for you guys. Okay, and another thing that I want to talk about that I use a lot to customize my packaging supplies is my stamp. Now this stamp, I got it from No Issue, and it has my brand's name, and I use this, I'm telling you, for everything. I stamp the box when I'm shipping it out so it can look really cute with the brand's name on it. Then I also use this to stamp my pouch bags. If anybody reuses my pouch bags for anything, like if they're traveling and they put their jewelry on it, or if they're just reusing it for whatever reason it is, they're always gonna look at it and they're always gonna remember my brand because my brand's logo is on the pouch bag. I also stamp my craft bags that I use for vendor events. I stamp it. A stamp is something that I very much recommend because it could come in handy. You could customize a lot of your shipping supplies with the stamp. And you can actually use this. I haven't done it, but if you're using this type of paper to wrap your candles in and you want customized paper, just stamp your name on this paper as well, and you don't have to spend money on customizing paper. Just stamp it. Do it yourself. DIY. Alright, so now I'm going to be talking about how to get some of these supplies for free. But before I get into that, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel if you're not already. And let's get started. Now the first thing is boxes. Get boxes and mailers from USPS for free. Do not go to Office Depot and purchase these boxes and mailers. Do not purchase it, because whenever I went to Office Depot that time that I was trying to purchase this this label, I saw that they sell these at Office Depot when you can actually go online, USPS.com, and order some for free. Free 99, you guys. Go to the website if you don't have the budget to spend on boxes like these to customize it and all that good stuff. Go to USPS and get them for free, you guys. Free. My next tip, peanuts. Now remember that I said that if you don't have the money or the budget to spend on shredded paper, not to worry, because you can actually get peanuts for free. You guys, everything that you order for your business will come in a box filled with peanuts. If I would have known about this, I would have never spent money on a peanuts bag. So that's another thing you could save on peanuts. Okay, don't go out there to uline.com and placing an order of peanuts. Don't do that, okay? And lastly, I want to talk about my thermal printer. This is what I use to print my shipping labels, and I also purchased it from Amazon. I got a lot of things from Amazon, but I'm gonna be linking down below which one I used. The one that I got was from Jaden's. This was actually like, it was very cheap. It was like, if I'm not mistaken, it was like $80. And there's one that's like $300 and it's supposed to be like the best printer ever. But let me tell you that this one right here, I've been having it for a few months and I've never had any problems with it. It prints beautiful. And that is the end of this video. Make sure you hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I post a video. And see you guys in my next video.